Hello everyone, hope you guys are having great time. So in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to securely mount your GoPro on the side of your car. So before starting the video, if you guys are new here, consider subscribing, or I'll be uploading videos related to driving tips, tricks and cars. So guys, the first step is to clean the bottom of the suction cup and the panel where you are going to mount the suction cup. You can use the microfiber towel to clean. And after that, place your suction cup on the flat surface. And for extra security, I am tying a tether on the rear view mirror here. So guys, now let's go for a drive and see how the footage comes.
My darkest memories might let me fall back, but you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. You can get away with it, 'cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections. Yeah. What's on the other side of inhibition? Ooh, I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so cool. I got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah, for my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. Oh, my darkest memories might let me fall back, but you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. You can get away with it, 'cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Yeah. What's on the other side of inhibition?
Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to like the video, and if you guys are new here, consider subscribing. Always wear seatbelt while driving and drive safe.